There's a couple of ways to power off an Android tablet like this Galaxy Tab here. One easy way is to use the physical buttons. Press and hold the power button and volume down buttons simultaneously, and a power off menu appears. Once the power off menu appears, you can tap power off or restart, and then tap again to confirm. Once your tablet powers off, you'll simply tap and hold the power button to turn it back on. In normal use, you don't need to shut it down like this, but this is good for long-term storage if you're not going to use your tablet for a while. Restarting might also fix a lot of small temporary issues. Another way to power off is through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and then from the very top tap the little power button. Same power off menu appears, and you just follow the steps I showed earlier. You can also do this with the power button alone. Go to settings and then scroll down to additional features. On many Android tablets, you'll have the option here to configure the side button, including what happens with a double press and a long press. Long press often defaults to the digital assistant, but personally I prefer to use the long press to restart or power off my tablet. Just change the setting from here, and after that, you can always bring up the power off menu by long pressing the side button. No need to hold down two buttons simultaneously. And that's it. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.